We're on the waterproof fog. Going swimming, guys. We're going, bro.
Swimming, guys. Swimming.
Swim. Swimming at Sequoia
Do you know
Lodge.
to camera at the pool? Dance.
Straight ahead, swimming pool.
Which way?
Level 1.
Level 1, mother.
Heading to the quad.
Keep going.
Yes, keep going this way to the pool. And keep going this way to the pool.
Oh. We're only there for one day, so.
Piscine, quarry pool.
Which way?
This way. So we've just come outside. Heading to the quarry pool.
Are we all there at night?
Well, we've got 1 hour.
1 hour, that's
Shuts
long.
at 10 p.m.
That's long.
Yeah.
So can we be there until it closes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There is an outside pool. There's lovely hot weather. And there's an inside bit as well. Quarry pool.
That pool looks so cool. That pool looks sick.
Quarry pool and health club.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Yeah. There's a few like
And this is where you get to look at the towels then.
Dad, don't jinx it. It's not going to close.
Not going to close.
It's not going to close, guys.
Not going to close.
It's not going to close until we want to leave.
Yeah. It's been a while, mate. So you get changed in here and then you go through. Access piscine.
And you press lock.
Start number lock. Lockers, changing room, lockers, showers this way. Girls left, boys right. Jacuzzi, slide.
Checkers.
Or checkers. You good?
Yeah, I meant to hold my back as well.
Go under. stuff. Jacuzzi. Get your lockers, and then you exit changing rooms through the changing room. And then you got the dispose of old towels. Goodbye towels.
Where is this? You can buy like a swimming costume in a vending machine.
And
earplugs.
So if you do forget anything,
Oh, do they need plugs?
Sorry.
No. No nose plugs.
Drinks.
Clever though.
Who's colour? And that's our swim. Head back to the room. We're leaving swimming. Back to the room. Was that a good swim,
I
girl?
think we stayed there, didn't we? Like.
They covered it now, though. That's what we were in, and we swam underneath the door.
That was cool out being outside.
Yeah. Temperature was okay.
Except for Dad left the stuff outside.
Oh, blame me.
Yeah.
We all left the staff. We all left. Back of the building. So we're in the main building now, and I think it's a left.
And then do a dot.
Just the right way?
I just dot.
Yeah. No. Yeah? We're just looking for a lift, aren't we? Oh, here's the lifts. What the heck?
What are you doing?
What?
She's copying me.
She's copying me.
Why is there
What you do when no one's in the elevator?
What you do when down to the elevator?
You dance.
You dance. Hello.
Are we awkward?
Maybe it's the point.
5, 6, 7, 8.
5, 6, 7, 8. What is the point?
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And you subscribe our channel, turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye guys. Bye guys.